Hello, Counseling 110 students. We are in week 6 of Counseling 110 College Success Skills. So try and start at the modules, okay, and scroll down to week 6. Week 6 is open now. Okay, and start at the beginning. Of week 6, module 6. It'll give you a brief overview of what's being covered this week. In the discussion board, you are learning about and discussing Maslow's hierarchy of needs. As a reminder, please respond to at least one classmate per discussion board for full points. Your assignment this week, you're going to be using the SQ4R method study tool to evaluate Chapter 3. I have provided the PowerPoint for Chapter 3, but it is very important that you read the chapter. The PowerPoints here are just for a brief overview, review, really after you read Chapter 3. If you're going to participate in the group discussion board, not the group discussion board, but the group discussion on live Zoom tonight at 6:30, you want to think about you want to do the calculation for motivation. That's something that I want you to discuss in the group discussion tonight if you're wanting to participate in that. So I want you to take a moment about what you feel is important to you, especially the value that you have on your education. So in terms of education, I want you to think about what benefits you believe you will acquire from obtaining a college degree. That's what the V, that's what is measured with V. Okay, so on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being that you feel that you will benefit greatly from a college degree, that would be a 10. And then your expectation in terms of your expectation is determined by how likely you think it is that you can earn a college degree. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being very likely that you will obtain it. And that's the formula for motivation. So if you are participating in the group discussion tonight at 6:30 for live Zoom, this is what I would want you to discuss. Make sure you're following through on the module. There is literature here that you will need to be able to answer the discussion board thoroughly. There's one video here, and then the actual discussion board has another video. So this one, sometimes what happens is the links are broken, but there is another link on the actual discussion board that I updated. So here's a discussion board for motivation in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And this link should be fine.
Do you know what you are?
The Disney Bundle.
Definitely worth What's next?
Hello and welcome to today's lesson, where we're looking at Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Before we jump in and look...
So that link is working. Let's go back here. So your discussion board is on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. We're continuing in reviewing study tools. So this is more literature on active reading strategies. I want to make sure you review all of that literature. And then assignment number 6 is using the SQ4R method. So there is a very thorough video here that does work.
How many times have you read a page of your textbook and couldn't remember a single thing about?
So that link does work. There are several worksheets here related to the SQ4R method. You don't absolutely have to use these. I've just provided these as an example. What's important for this assignment is that you actually use the SQ4R method. If you want to use some of these examples for sheets, you can, but it's not necessary. A lot of students like worksheet A because you can just fill it in evaluating chapter 3. So a lot of students end up using worksheet A, and I'm asking you to evaluate chapter 3 using the SQ4R method. Okay, so you would have to read all of chapter 3 to be able to do this assignment. So again, these are all, you can use either worksheet A or worksheet B. The information sheet just is a review of what SQ4R is, how to use the method. Okay, and then part B, make sure that you do the student lingo titled Online Courses, Staying Motivated and Disciplined. Okay. So I will open up the live Zoom tonight at 6:30 for group discussion. And I will be available at 7 p.m. for any questions related to this week. I'm also sending an email about past assignments. I don't usually open up assignments right away. I don't want you to fall behind. I do reopen assignments right before Thanksgiving break, but you don't want to rely on doing everything at the last minute. You want to try and keep up with the assignments, and then if you didn't upload something by accident or something happened, then you'll have Thanksgiving week to upload a missing assignment for more points, but try not to rely on that, okay, and not do everything at the last minute. Okay, all right, take care, guys.